Okay, we have the integral of sine to the power 3 theta times cosine to the power 6 theta. Now, to do this, you're going to have to know an identity, and that identity is sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Now, we're going to need to split this sine to the power 3 to match this identity. So we do that by taking one sine theta out and keeping everything else the same. Now, this is equivalent to 1 minus cosine squared x, because if you subtract that cosine, you're left with sine squared x. So we're going to plug this over here. So 1 minus cosine squared theta, and then write everything else the same. Okay, now we need to do a u sub. So we want to get rid of this sign. And the derivative of cosine is sine. So we're going to make u our u sub. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. So to get that in terms of d theta, just like that. Now we rewrite everything. And since u is cosine, we're going to replace our cosines in the equation with u. And then here we're going to rewrite our d theta with this. So it's going to be du over negative sine theta. Now we can cancel out these signs, and this negative gets moved to the front. So we're going to rewrite it. Okay. Now we factor this u to the power 6 out. U to the 6 minus u to the 8, because exponents add. Now we can integrate. U to the 7th over 7 minus u to the 9th over 9. Okay, now we're integrated. Now all we need to do is plug this cosine back in to the u and distribute. So this is going to be negative cosine to the 7th theta over 7. Negative times a negative is a positive, so plus cosine 9 theta over 9, and then plus c. And that is your final answer.